Hi, this is Lock Picking Gal. Um, Today is my 50th birthday, and my family has been putting back some of my packages, and I didn't know it. So they gave them to me today along with my birthday. Um, I got this one from Lego Lock Picker. Let me see what side is probably better to open it. Oh, there's a tab. Oh, I told him that I wanted some. I guess he included some of the stickers. I'm gonna send those to my nephew. I have a nephew in the Navy, and I really want to send him one of these pinning trays from Tag 5 Industries, because I thought maybe on a ship they might be able to be easier for him to pin his locks and stuff. We're in a competition, but he also sent me an extra one for me to use, and that was so sweet of him. Thank you, Legal Lock Picker. I really appreciate that. And I had ordered some locks that he was selling. I think it was back in January. And the boys had pulled out the locks that I had purchased, but here the Lego Lock Picker had included some extra items. And I just want to tell him thank you so much. This is a Packer 1 laminated. I look forward to getting into that. He also sent me a cutout lock. And it looks like a 6-pinner. That's really cool. I can send that to my nephew also. And he also sent me some picks. I don't see a name on these. I love trying out new picks because with the numbness in my hand from the strokes, I get different feedback. I look forward to trying these out. Looks like a lot of hooks in there. That's what I like. If anybody knows the name of these, let me know, please. And he also included a dino pick set. And it's got some really cool tensioners that I've never seen before. And I don't know if the handles were made out of aluminum. They definitely have a different feeling. I look forward to trying those out. And I had talked to him about getting a jackknife for my nephews, and he had sent me this one. Heiyoshi tools. That's pretty cool. I love the green. And he also sent me a small Avis. Pretty cool bitting. And it's really smooth. And it says Elko. Oh, it's got all the screws and everything with it. This is a brand new cylinder. Isn't that pretty? I don't know if I picked those before. I know I have some Elko keys, but I don't think I picked one of their cylinders yet. So I look forward to trying that out. So I wanted to show you everything that he has given me extra. If you don't follow his channel, you really need to check him out. He's always doing reviews of items. That's why I was seeking his advice about the jackknife. Because he's always trying out new products. But I just want to tell him thank you so much for everything. I really, really appreciate everything. This is all awesome. So thank you. Check him out, Lego Lockpicker. And happy 50th birthday to me. So, the big 5-0, I hate to say it. I think I should cut that number in half and just start over at 25, but I don't know. Well, thank you so much, and I'm going to leave a link to his channel, and you need to check him out. He's always doing giveaways. He's always trying out new locks and new picks, and he tries out so many amazing items. And he gives you his honest opinion about items, so check him out. I love his channel. Thank you so much.